This is an unscheduled video, but I thought I needed to put this information out there because it was deleted from the live stream last night because of technical issues. Comcast went all the way down to 0, and a lot of the things that I did you weren't able to see during the live stream, and on the replay it's not available. So we were talking about this right here. I read this was available on the live stream, but the interview that I did, or the walkthrough of how this was prepared, the two clips that I had, was not available on the live stream. So I'm going to show that here, and also I'm going to give you the details of this kit right here. Art gave me this. He says this was the last one they had on the shelf. It's not even up on their website anymore. I built this one a long time ago before I started my YouTube channel, and I combined this with Earl's oil, and I'll show you a few pictures of it here. Giveaway on that once I'm finished with this kit right here on Workbench Wednesday. So here's the two clips that I showed you, and I'll give you the details in a little bit about how you could enter to receive this kit right here. So enjoy these two clips on how this is built, how the process they go through, and I'm going to show you one more after that, how they do the tar paper and shingles.
This is what keeps the laser from burning the actual. Any air bubbles, because it causes, see that air bubble?
Yeah.
That'll cause a flare up from the laser. And I'll show you one in back that we have to toss out. This air here.
Now what's this material right here that you're putting on there?
That's it's basically a fancy masking tape.
Oh, okay.
I don't like that spot. I'm not going to screw around with it. If I have to toss this piece out here, it's not the end of the world. But it's kind of an arduous process to when people want to get pre-made walls. It's kind of labor intensive. So that one's going to be a bad spot there. But we'll let it burn. I'll show you.
Okay. So how long would that take to?
That's not going to take long to cut. We'll come right back here. And right after taking a peek back here.
All right.
Neat. The lasers are neat, aren't they?
Neat.
Yeah, they're very cool. So, printed out a bunch of these for me. This will go on the board.
Okay. In this next clip, I had to remove the original audio because there was background music playing, and when I uploaded it to YouTube before I even published it, they flagged it because of an Etta James song. So I'm putting my own music in this clip instead. But you get the idea of how they package it and how they use the blister pack sealer for the final packaging.
Treat me like you do. It's a deal breaker, baby, when you treat me like you do. Seems all you do these days is make me down and blue. I said it's a deal breaker, baby, you play me for a fool. Ooh, it's a deal breaker, baby, when you play me for a fool. Now I'm the local laughing star, and that ain't cool. Take a hike.
Here we go with clip number 2.
Well, that's our waste.
Okay.
And I'll be using the X-Acto knife to take off all of the protective tape.
Oh, yeah.
And it's pretty fast on the cut. What's more monotonous is getting it all together to cut.
Yeah, it's
And then-
time consuming
and then
to get it all
right, and then take
packaged.
the tape off. Lenny is incredible. He's upstairs. He's struck like one throat. He's been here since he was 25 anyway, so he's been here for 20 years at least.
Yeah.
And he's a magician. He's just like, that's really fortunate to have him here. He's just real talented.
Yeah.
And he's just, he can focus the lasers. Like, I do it, but he can do it. You know, he's just,
He can do it with his eyes closed now.
yeah, he's that good. Throw that behind you there.
Okay.
And that, I showed you that earlier. But yeah, it's a, so Lenny calls any of the kits that use the printed walls a loss leader. 'Cause
And here is the clip for the tar paper and shingles, how they make this.
This here is the machine that we make all of our shingles on, right? At least the regular unpainted, unweathered shingles that you would get in a regular kit. So we'll drop something in here. So this is going to do a rolled roofing shingle or asphalt shingle with nail holes. So this is a 2-ply paper, has a sticky top, and then just a regular paper bottom.
Yeah.
What I'm doing is I'm actually cutting through the top layer and not touching the bottom layer. Pull that out. And then, get this right, and then that peels right off.
Okay.
What this does is it allows the modeler to be able to do any kind of weathering, all
That's
of
like
those things.
like the tar paper.
Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Without having to put it on the building or handle them individually. You can kind of, especially when you're doing something like shake shingles, things like that.
Yeah.
You can really kind of see what it's going to look like before you even lay it down. So this here is a shake shingle. We actually used to do these on our other machines, and a file like this would take 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah.
Here it takes about 30 seconds. So we're able to do them a lot faster and larger quantities at a time. You do have to stand here. Generally, we'll be packaging something over here while this is running because there is a few seconds in between.
So it's all just one at a time.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Typically, this machine would be seen in a manufacturing line. They would prop it up, and it would either etch like a barcode or a serial number or something like that on a product as it goes by. So what we're using it for is, I promise you, no one else in the country is doing this.
Yeah.
But then it goes right off.
Yeah.
So you can really kind of weather everything really well, kind of get an idea of what you're going to get without any kind of glue, doing anything, and then peel and stick it.
I will be announcing this again on how to win this kit right here on Workbench Wednesday, and we'll be giving it away after we finished this kit right here. I may give this one away too, who knows, but we'll see after that. But anyway, send me an email at workbenchwednesday@gmail.com and just just put Hank's Fuel Company or Hank's in the description and just let me know that you want it. This is for continental U.S. only, because I'm not paying for shipping for this little thing outside the U.S. because it's ridiculous, and I'm doing this on my own. So workbenchwednesday@gmail.com, Hank's Fuel or Hank's in the description part of it, and let me know that you want to get your name entered in there. And remember, continental US only. So that's it. Stay tuned for Workbench Wednesday this coming Wednesday, where we'll be putting together this thing right here. We're going to open this blister pack up and read the directions and see what we can do in there. It's a real easy kit. You don't have to paint anything. You don't have to put any decals on it. Everything is done for you, as you have seen in the video. So until the next time, we'll see you.